Personal finance is the process of managing your money to best meet your needs. It is important to know what you are working with, know how much you have, and know what you are spending. This video discusses 5 essential parts of personal finance: savings, debt reduction, investing, insurance, and taxes. You're watching Budget Wrench, the channel that helps you upgrade your budget and puts that extra cash back in your pocket. Stay tuned until the end of this video where you will find information on how to adjust your current budget and put hundreds of dollars back in your pocket. Whether you are saving for retirement, your child's college education, or the down payment on a house, you need to accumulate enough money to be able to live comfortably after leaving your job. The following are the 5 essential parts of personal finance that everyone should know about. However, it is important to remember that while these 5 steps may seem simple, they are not easy. It takes motivation and discipline, which is why many people fail at this. Number 1, pay yourself first. You need to make sure that you save before you spend anything else. The easiest way of doing this is by paying yourself first by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account into a savings account each month before any other expenses come out of your account. This way, there will be no more excuses for not saving because you don't have enough money. Number 2, debt reduction. You should know the total amount of money that you have borrowed from lenders. In order to do this, add up the balances for all your credit card, car loans, student loans, and personal lines of credit. You can also add in any other outstanding debts such as unpaid taxes or child support payments. One very common technique for paying off debt is to use a balance transfer card. This type of credit card can be used to transfer any outstanding balances from one or several credit cards at a much lower or 0% interest rate. This type of credit card can be used to transfer any outstanding balances from one or several credit cards at a much lower or 0% interest rate. The cardholder only pays the balance transfer fee, usually 3%, and then starts paying down the transferred balance at the new interest rate until it is paid off completely. Number 3, investing is one of the most important aspects of personal finance. There are 5 essential parts that make up investing: stocks, savings accounts, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Investing is one of the most important aspects of personal finance for many reasons. The first reason being that it helps to diversify your portfolio. It also allows you to balance risk with reward so you can have more control over how much risk you take on in your investment accounts. Investing also provides a way for individuals to take control over their financial future by taking time to plan and execute it through things like education resources and tools, which are available online for anyone who wants them. Number 4, insurance. There are a lot of benefits to buying insurance as a good way to manage risks. It's important to maintain financial priorities and not spend more than you can afford. This is the best way to make sure that you're still okay if something bad happens. There are many different types of insurance that can be purchased depending on your needs and how much money you have saved up. The basic types of insurance are car, home, life, health, disability, renters or homeowners insurance, pet protection plans, and travel assistance plans. If you have a car, then it is recommended that you purchase car insurance, because otherwise, if something were to happen, it would be very expensive for someone else to take care of the damages. Rental cars are also expensive, so this type of coverage is essential in case. Number 5, taxes. A person's financial priorities don't always align with what the tax system is trying to do. This is because we want to make sure we get the most money back, even if it means that we get less of a refund. However, when it comes to taxes, oftentimes getting a refund is more beneficial than having your money now. Money is a limited resource, and as such, should be used wisely. When it comes to taxes, oftentimes getting a refund is more beneficial than having your money now. This is because you can use the money for future endeavors or save it for emergencies. Most of us have to deal with the problem of managing our money as a limited resource. Our finances can be classified as either basic or complex depending on the person's income and other factors. When we are dealing with money that is classified as basic, it is important that we manage it carefully enough to allow us the ability to meet all our financial obligations and still have some left over for any future emergencies. For those who find themselves saddled with complex finances, we need to prioritize our needs and figure out what we can cut back on or reduce in order to make sure we are not spending unwisely. If you enjoyed this video, hit the button and give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned to this channel and our other videos for tips about making the most with your current budget. Thanks for watching Budget Wrench, and as always, keep upgrading your budget and your money.